Hey there, stackers and clackers. This is Stacking and Clacking back with another video on the channel. Before we get started on this video, I just wanted to go ahead and give a big shout out to my community that I'm a part of. I've been a part of the community for 5 years. It's called Truth, Money, and Freedom. Go check out the link in the description. It is a Discord server. You will learn a lot from these people. Everybody is super friendly, super knowledgeable. We talk about silver, gold, current events, cryptocurrencies, you name it, we talk about it, and we have a good time and we learn a lot. So go check it out in the link in the description and enjoy the video. Thank you so much. Hey YouTube, what's going on, guys? Stacking and Clacking here, and today I'm going to be going over a couple reasons why I am selling silver. Now, what kind of silver am I selling? That is a very important question. Well, I'm selling these little grab bags. See if I can get my camera to focus. Of just generic, constitutional silver, high premium silver, such as this one right here, this 3-cent nickel, 3-cent dime, and stuff like this that I don't really necessarily need. And I'm trying to buy lower premium stuff. This is some higher premium stuff that people will pay a little bit more for. And so I'm trying to sell this stuff that people are interested in, such as like 1964 Rosies, the proofs. That one's a proof, and I just threw it across the room. And Morgan dollars. Now I do love my Morgans, so those cost a little bit more. But of course, I'm selling some of my constitutional, so that I can buy bars and 1 ounce coins, generic stuff like that, because I think it's about time for silver to go up exponentially. I really do. And I think that silver is actually going to be hitting the 3-digit mark by the end of the year, honestly. I'm thinking we're going to be hitting 50 in the next couple months or so, and I'm trying to prepare. I'm trying to get as much, trying to accumulate as much silver in my stack as possible right now, and getting rid of the higher premium silver and buying low premium silver is going to be the best way for me to do that. Now, I've made $140 in sales so far, and I've done that in the last 3 days. So I went to the coin shop today and I bought a couple generic rounds as well, to replace what I sold, and I've already gotten more ounces back. So I sold, I sold 140 bucks worth of silver, and I think it wasn't even that much. I mean, it was really probably only like 4 ounces or so, 3.5 ounces probably. And I sold that, went up to the coin shop, and I bought some more today. Super excited. But yeah, these walkers I'm probably gonna end up selling as well. But yeah, I mean, some of these walkers are pretty good looking in my opinion. Absolutely love the walkers, but you gotta come to a point where, what do you want? Do you want your do you want what you like, or do you want what's going to benefit you financially for the future? And I'm at that point right now where I'm thinking, well, I think it's time to get rid of the stuff that I like, and it's time to buy the stuff that I need. I'm very excited to be adding this stuff to my stack. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Would you sell your higher premium silver? What do you think? Thanks all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Keep stacking, keep clacking. See you guys again very soon. Later.